rests on a lily pad. Dreams of flies, now isn't that rad? Stars above and a moon so bright. Froggy whispers, good night, good night. Jump, 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 says the frog, over the lily and over the log. Croak, 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 all day long. Froggy's singing his happy song.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.